Crane project and welcome here. Our project partner and the client was Konecranes, and as you know, they are in lifting business and they are on the top of that. They have almost 12,000 employees in over 600 locations around the world, so they are really global. And as you can see, the headquarters is located in Hyvinkää. We have really nice hand-in-hand experience with them. The project was all about improving already amazing crane. Our task was to create new features, just like this one, that will increase safety and productivity of the usage of cranes. And as you can see from the video, Konecranes already has really cool things like sway control that prevents the cargo from swaying during the movement. We created during this project 10 concepts, and we don't have enough time to show them all to you, but we are going to present 3 of them. Crane vision is based on machine vision, which allows the crane to see the cargo and its size, and to create a safe barrier around it. And we developed this feature by using Kinect camera, and we were able to, by using Kinect camera, to detect the object and create safe barrier around it. And imagine what you can do with this kind of feature in cranes. By pressing just one button, I can order the crane to go that direction, and it will automatically detect all objects and it won't crash with them. The other concept we created is hook control. This is really hand-in-hand feature. By having this feature, the operator or any user is able to grab the hook and hoist it down, up or down. And it's really usable, especially in emergency situations. We created a couple concepts, sketches about it, and in the end we created a CAD model of it, which we 3D printed, as you can see here. We used a 3D printer that lies in new factory, and it fits to the size of hook it's made for.
Yeah, to bring it all together, especially those features, we are also considering redesigning the controller, the interface itself. To access those features, first hand we were considering the user. Our design directed approach was code. This means we really put the user and its needs in the firm. So we were considering different user types and summed them up with excellent research work provided by Konecranes from universities and white papers for getting more into them. And we divided them in our 3 main customer groups. It's like the customer group itself, who get the stuff, then the user and the operator as well. By doing this, we also had a first-hand experience on the current controllers by our client Konecranes. In this illustration, you see the basic controller we had faced while we were actually also working with this controller in the original facilities of Konecranes in Hyvinkää. And we really worked with real-life situations. So with the basic of our research, we focused on redesigning the aspects considering accessibility, usability, and what the user needs in mind. So we really reshaped the whole controller and spec'd it up a little bit, and putting it all together and in front. This means we just have one joystick in the front with a one button trigger feature, which makes automation way more easier. On the other hand, we have the hoisting feature or alternative switch, which is more intuitive because you just turn it up and down instead of left and right. We also brought all of the buttons in the front in the first view, so there's no button hidden, so you can really access and see the controller and its functionality at first sight. With this, and the next up of all of this, we also considered building the LCD screen way more bigger to increase the awareness of important information like warning signals and warning indicators. Well, coming to the interface, we really iterate a lot about the interface. We had a lot of UI on this, we considered a lot of workflows, we were considering more brightness, contrast aspects, black-white versions for increasing readability, accessibility, and all around. And we also developed an Android-based prototype, which you can see in here on the iPad tablet, which is original size, so that the user really can hand over this controller and have first-hand experience on it as well. And with those iterations, possible scenario for the user would be the target positioning. This means if you set a target before you do actually an automated load transmitting to Crane, you set a target, and while you do this, you get into the menu and set what you want to do for your target positioning. In this case, for controller positioning, or tag located RFID tag related positioning, or group positioning. After this, you choose if you want to set that target and get the confirmation on the feedback level that the target has been set. And then you can see the location right on the screen where your target is. And from now on, you just have to use the one little joystick provided by the redesigned controller and press one button, and automatically the Crane will go exactly the group in that position. So this eases out a lot of the workflow and increases safety, especially with the Kinect features we provided, as mentioned before. And of course, makes Crane operation more handleable and useful for the end user. Thank you very much for your attention. Everybody is welcome to have the first-hand experience on the new controller and the interface as well. Here, it's provided for you. Just enjoy.
Yeah, after all pictures.
Thanks. Who's next? This will try the rest. You guys want to put down? And if there's any questions from the jury, while the next team's setting up.
Do you have any feedback from guys in the field working with Cranes?
Yes, we have an excellent meeting with the guys and the leaders in the integration technology field from Koenigsegg our client. So we could have a first-hand experience while we were pitching and presenting them in front of the presentation. And the feedback was really, really good, especially from the people related to innovation, related to the field of developing industrial design related topics. Yes, the feedback was very good.
I have two questions. What is your favorite out of these concepts that you developed, and what will be the future of your favorite?
Well, my favorite, I have to say the user interface is just so cool, and I would love to see that someday in my hand or a picture when it's really remanufactured and it's really on comes. And I honestly think that it might happen like in 5 or 10 years.
In 5 or 10 years?
Like, I truly believe that, yeah.
I'm a bit more positive in this way, and I would hope so. It's going to be in the future. Well, my favorite is indeed it's interface as well, because when you check things, you really make them understandable. So when you see things, you also get mostly what's this all about, and you really have a hand-on and an understanding, or better way of understanding on the functionality behind something like a controller. So, and when we had first-hand experience on the current controller, it's an amazing piece of engineering. Absolutely a lot, but we were still facing some problems with the LCD screen, making some things more visual appealing, and also triggering some buttons. So I think with redesign and some finishings in that way, the problem is solved.
Both between the computer vision and user interface. First, because we provide them a technology that they can use in Crane, but they made them clever, they made them automatic, and this is something that they really need. And the user interface, because I truly believe that in a couple of years, maybe shorter, not exactly the same user interface we design, but something similar is going to be transformed to the all controllers, to the one we are developing, because we've been improving a lot and we got that feedback from the experience.
Being an IT controller, there are two mechanisms why it is a feature, because right now the worker has to be in touch directly with the group. So with this feature, it gives you a kind of ability and handle to hold it up. Especially our DVR design, you can see over there it's for the controller, and it is basically for the controller at the micro level. So I think this feature has got some really bright feature.
Okay, thanks. I think we don't have any more time for questions.
Last one. Did you make it on purpose to look like a beer glass?